Man, back up.
But like straight punch you in your rib.
Wait, can I find it?
No. You're so rude. Oh my gosh, you know we don't have all day, right?
Yeah, that's how you know we're gonna be here all day. You put your purse.
It's just heavy.
Oh my gosh. They're mochi donuts.
That you can get because I think it's cute. This is cute and I like it, but I'm not about to spend $24 on it. Oh, that's so cute. It's like candy corn.
I want you to with my friends.
Oh, I need that.
You need this?
This is nice. You already have one. So what are those?
Flared leggings. Okay. Flared leggings.
Seriously?
This is quality content. It's when your kids are funny.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skinny.
All right, so really quickly before I put all of this away, wipe it down, so on and so forth. This is my go-to. I really do love these chips. It says gluten-free. All I taste is the sea salt. I picked up 2 of these. Normally I pick up some, I believe it's the pico de gallo from Aldi, but I didn't pick that up. Everybody likes guac. I don't, but either which way I picked up 2 bags because we kind of like run through these pretty quickly. I picked up some spinach, because we haven't had this particular pasta dish in a long time that requires a spinach. So I figure, you know what, while we're kind of like pre-grocery shopping, I'll go ahead and pick up some spinach and then get the pasta and get all the other ingredients and do that. Tonight, we're just gonna have a really quick dinner. So it's gonna be some either baked potato or mashed potatoes. Baked potatoes probably easiest. Pick this up, it's the New York strip. My daughter had this the other day. It actually really tasted good, so I'm not mad at it. It comes with 2, so my husband and my daughter's gonna have that. I picked up this crab meat. I don't know why I was thinking I was gonna use it for lobster bisque, which I'm really hungry while I'm shopping right now, so that's why my brain was not formulating that lobster bisque. This is crab. So either which way, I will figure out what I need to do when it comes to how I'm gonna use this. But yeah, and I picked up this right here, which is the tenderloin, or I'm sorry, the filet, bacon wrapped around it. I'll eat that probably. Picked up some bread, some cinnamon raisin bread. I love these little pastry, like chocolate things. I can't even think right now, but this is like my go-to. I forget where I used to get this. I think Publix, but I get it from Aldi now, and it really still tastes really good, so I do like that. Picked up some orange juice, and this right here, I saw this. You guys know I'm an International Delight like stan, and I saw this. I'm not a fan of sugar cookies though, but I got this just because it says the Home Alone, and I thought it was like really, really cute. So you guys already know I'm all ready for Christmas. I'm already in the process of trying to decorate and everything like that. And this really just kind of like set it off. So yeah, picked up some hummus because everybody in this house loves hummus. Picked up some more milk. The kids love these calzones. I just picked up a few of these apple pies because I am an apple pie person. Some blueberry muffins, we all love those. I did pick up 2 jars of artichoke. This one's marinated, and then this one right here is just regular. My daughter is in love with these olives, and I do too. These are like my favorite, so we'll probably have to fight over that. But either which way, she loves this honey. I think she loves it because of the honeycomb, so I picked this up. I'll probably start trying to put some honey in my tea. Picked up a few cinnamon rolls and some biscuits, and I'm probably going to make that really quickly. My husband does love these crackers. He can easily use the hummus for these. And I picked this up as well. Nice little snack. So it's the almond spritz shortbread cookies. They look good, but if anybody recognizes these cookies, they used to come in those tins that all of our grandparents and parents put the sewing items in, but they are still good. I don't know. And then we saw these lava cakes. I got 2 packs. It's 4 of us, so we're gonna eat these and see how they taste. Have it for dessert. Picked up some shrimp rolls, 2 packs of those. The kids still love the Hot Pockets, so picked up 2 packs of the pepperoni. Some quick Texas toast. The kids love mochi, so pick that up. It's a cookies and cream. These cute little Rice Krispie mini squares. And then I did pick this up. I don't know if I might have this with like my steak. I'm not sure, but I do like the tempura shrimp. And I was in the mood for some tea. They also had like the pumpkin spice, but again, I am not a pumpkin spice person. I do not like it. I can't stand it. So I picked up some cinnamon apple and some cranberry biscuits. Needed some more potatoes, so I got that. Picked this up right here for my husband because he loves candy apples. I do too, but I'm not a fan of all of the peanuts and everything like that on it. But I did also pick up this gelato for myself because I do love that. I just like the way it's just really soft. So I picked that up. I'll have that for dessert tonight. Biscuits are about to go in. I'm starving. So that is my quick Aldi haul. Like straight punch you in your rib.
Wait, can I find it?
No, you're so rude. What is that? Oh my gosh, you know we don't have all day, right?
It's not. Yeah, that's how you know we're gonna be here all day. You put your purse.
It's just heavy.
Oh, you know the pack.
So what are those?
Flared leggings. Okay. Flared leggings.
Seriously?
This is quality content. It's when your kids are funny. Ups the views.
Okay. Oh, that's so cute. It's like candy corn. Oh, I need that.
You need this?
Mm-hmm.